Hello everyone, thanks for joining me today. This is Rob Van Bergen from Pain Free for Life, and today we're going to be talking about the flexible Y tool, or the tongue stimulator, as it is more commonly referred to. Now, as you may guess from the name, this device is used primarily for treating in the mouth. Tongue stimulation is a treatment that has proven to work for so many different things. From anything to do with the cranial nerves, which we can access through the tongue, such as vertigo, nausea, dizziness, as well as conditions such as Parkinson's, MS, even things such as sense of smell issues or eyesight problems. All of these things have that connection to the cranial nerve system. The question was, how do we get the microcurrent to these cranial nerves? Now, by looking at Dr. Norman Doidge's work, we can see that microcurrent stimulation of the tongue is the superhighway to access the brain. Now, Dr. Doidge told us how to do this through the tongue, but we needed to create a tool that would be more functional for fitting in the mouth than, say, the Y electrode. And we certainly weren't about to put our microcurrent devices on our tongues, in our mouths. This device is extremely small, so you can see it fits right inside the mouth just like that. You can even close your mouth and it will do the treatment. So whatever you need to do with the tongue stimulation, you can pull that off. This device is also excellent for treating teeth and gum pain. Because you can flank either side of the teeth, you can use it like a small dental probe to treat the gums and deal with any of that inflammation and pain in the mouth. Furthermore, this device also has some benefit outside of the mouth. Its flexible nature means that you can fit it around joints really nicely, and you can even leave it hanging if you have to. You can actually bend these completely to do whatever you need to do with them, and the whole tool bends. So you can fit them to whatever shape you need. As long as both prongs are touching the skin, the current will be transferred. You need a red-black wire, so you need 2 standard pins here to slot into the bottom, and that is it. For sanitation, people often ask, how do you clean it? You can remove the tips themselves, and you can place those in small bit of rubbing alcohol. That would work, or hydrogen peroxide. Some people prefer to just hand wash them. We tend to recommend hand washing the rest of the tool as well if you're going to be using it between patients. We do have bulk buy options, which many practitioners choose to take advantage of, and they can then just have each patient have their own tongue stimulator as well. So there's no cross-contamination and no need to really worry about cleaning it as often. But for personal use, your own tongue stimulator or flexible Y tool can go a long way to helping with a variety of different conditions. We mustn't forget the recent connections that have been discovered between this and things like tinnitus and even chronic pain, and how the tongue working on the brain may still be those access points that we need. So your flexible Y tool is an excellent attachment to find in your toolkit, and anyone can make use of it because you can use it anywhere on the body, right? I showed you can use it on the joints, you can use it on the vagus nerve, you can use it on the ears, anywhere on the body. So ultimately this tool will find a lot of uses for you. If you have any questions about the flexible Y tool and how it could be used in your microcurrent therapy or with your microcurrent therapy device, please feel free to drop them in the comments below, and we will be happy to get back to you and answer your questions as soon as we can. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you in the next video.